Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tutorialify. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add fonts in Canva. To add custom fonts in Canva, first of all, make sure that you open up your Canva application and then from the home page of Canva, go ahead and select a design where you'd like to add fonts on. I'm just gonna open up an existing design over here. This is just a rough design I made a couple of days ago. Now, if you are a Canva Pro user, you can go ahead and get to the brand kit. Simply go ahead and open up your design and look for the brand option at the bottom. And once you tap on it, you will be presented with brand kit where you can upgrade to add logos, add your brand colors, add fonts, brand voice, photos, and much more. In order to upload your font, click on the Upgrade to Add Font button and then make sure that you are subscribed to Canva Pro. If you are not, you'll need to do it right now so that you can upload a font. After uploading, the font will be available for use in the text option when you create or edit a design. Now for free users, if you have not yet subscribed to Pro version of Canva, and as a free user, if you want, you can go ahead and tap on the text button at the bottom from your editing screen and then click on Add a Text Box button at the top. Now, Canva provides a wide variety of fonts that you can choose from. Simply go ahead and click on this font option, and from the font option, you will be able to choose the font styles available for free users on Canva. Choose the type of font you'd like to use on your design and you can adjust the size, style, color of your font by choosing the color option available at the bottom of the screen. Enter your desired text in the text box and make necessary adjustments using the tools provided at the bottom. So that is how you will be able to add fonts in Canva. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss out another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.